Hi everyone. Let's go over the letters of the alphabet. A. Apple. A. Acorn. B. Bear. C. Cat. Celery. D. Dog. E. Egg. Eagle. F. Fish. G. Goat. Giraffe. H. Hat. Iguana. Ice. J. Jar. K. Kite. L. Leaf. M. Mouse. N. Nest. O. Octopus. O. Ocean. P. Pig. Q. Queen. R. Ring. S. Socks. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. Unicorn. V. Violin. W. Window. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's look at the letter K. The letter K is tall and slants out and down. And it sounds like kite. Look at the letter L. Leaf. Look at M. Sounds like mouse. N. 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 Nest. O. O has two sounds. It can sound like octopus, or ocean. Look at the letter P. P. Pig. This week, I want you to think about the letter K, the letter L, the letter M, the letter N, the letter O, and the letter P. Record yourself saying the names of those letters and the sounds. Listen to this video again and again for help remembering.